So the login page is go to searching to the Google My Business, then click on it. Sign in with the marketing, the password, the lion_225. Right? So it was showing they have a 6 location in here. Each one you got to repeat with the post. Let's start from the first one. You can go to here, the post. Right? And update. All the posts is always just using this one. Add update. Put a photo. Dump over. Title of the post. Button. Learn more. Provide the link. This is then we put publish. Right? This is as simple as this, but we need to doing for 5 times for the post. We can go into the different location, then continue with second until all finish making the same post because all on the different locations. Right? Same. Repeat the process. Publish. All publishing this way until you finish all the link, right? 4 more to go. So this is how to get this thing done. Google My Business, the Pro have been post. So very easier. Like for me, I just need to click this pin. It was showing at the left hand side for the post, and all the password is here. So it will provide for people a quick and easy way to find those. And now we are searching in Malaysia. This is why it's been Sdn Bhd, but for the rest of people, this is something quite similar. But we want to have the post here. This is why for Google My Business, it need to post like the way we say, cross-browsing to all the 6 locations at the moment.